Meaning of graphical.
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 Graphical. The term graphical refers to something that is related to or involves graphics or visual representations, such as charts, diagrams, and images. Graphical interfaces are user interfaces that rely on visual representations rather than text-based ones. Graphical presentations are often used to display complex data in a more accessible and understandable format, making it easier for people to interpret and analyze the information. The use of graphics can enhance communication and facilitate comprehension, particularly when dealing with large amounts of data or information. Overall, graphical refers to the use of visual elements to convey meaning and facilitate understanding.